This is the Inupiaq language activity video tutorial for ugiakiłhaaqpa naagga ugialhaaqpa game. The idea for this game came from the game called 789. The version the North Slope Borough School District created uses the Kaktovik numerals. In this activity, learners practice using the Kaktovik numerals to add or subtract 1, 2, or 3 with numbers up to 10. There are two versions of this game. One is a speed and competitive version, and the other is a turn-taking cooperative version. Learners as young as 5 could be taught to play the cooperative version. Learners should always learn to play the cooperative version before moving on to the competitive version. Though the game can be played with larger groups, a group of 4 players is ideal to allow less time between turns during the cooperative play version and less chaos in the competitive version. Students should know how to read the Kaktovik numerals from 1 to 10 and understand their value before learning to play this game. You will need a deck of ugiakiłhaaqpa naagga ugialhaaqpa cards. These are produced by the Inupiaq Education Department of the North Slope Borough School District. Playing boards for students to organize their cards. These are created by the teacher. Explain how players are to use the board to organize their cards. Show some examples of what cards can be played depending on what the top card is. It is recommended to begin playing with only the green, which are plus or minus 1 cards. Once players are proficient with playing with that set, the blue, which is plus or minus 2 cards, can be added to the deck. Finally, the red, plus or minus 3 cards, can be added to the deck. Cooperative game playing instructions. First, give everyone their card organizer mat. Shuffle and deal all the cards except for 1. Place that 1 card face up in the middle of the table. This is the card that dictates what card can be played next. If the card is a green 4, then the next card that can be played will either have to be a 3 or a 5 because the green cards are plus or minus 1. It can be helpful if someone is in charge of stating what cards can be played next. For instance, if a 4 plus or minus 1 is the last card played, this person could say 5 or 7 in Inupiaq. In the cooperative game, learners play a card on their turn. If they cannot play a card, then the turn goes to the next player. If no one can play a card is taken from the bottom of the deck and placed at the top. If the top card is 10, then there is something called rounding the corner so that players can play up or down from it. The winner is the player that gets rid of all of their cards first. Now you may be feeling overwhelmed already with these instructions, but trust me, the students love playing this game and they do learn it easily. I'm now going to give you some examples of how to play with the different cards. This first example shows when playing with only the green cards. Let's say the top card was pingasut, which is 3. The green cards are plus or minus 1. So option 1 would be to put malarok, which 3 minus 1 is malarok, as the next card. The other option would be to put sisamat, because pingasut plus 1 is sisamat. This example shows when playing with only the green cards. If playing with the blue and red cards, a blue or red 2 or a blue or red 4 would be equally correct options. Here are some examples of how to play if you are playing with the blue cards. So if the top card were dalimat, which is 5, blue cards are plus or minus 2. So 5 minus 2 would be 3, so you have pingasut as a possible card to put down, or 5 plus 2 is dalimat malarok, or 7, and so you could put that down instead. Here's an example with the red cards. Remember though that when you're playing with the red cards, by now you've already learned how to play with the green and the blue cards and you've added the red cards to the mix. So let's say the top card was ugiakiłhaaqpa, which is 6. If we took 3 away from 6, then you could have pingasut, which is 3. If you added 3 to 6, you could have ugiakiłhaaqpa, which is 9. So I'm giving some extra examples. This is if you were playing with just the green and the blue cards. So let's say the top card was pingasut, and it's a blue card, so that's plus or minus 2. So then one option would be to put down a tausik, which is 1. And then another option would be to do 3 plus 2, which would be talimat, or 5. And then here's some examples with all 3 colored cards. So if the top card was sisamat, and it was green, so it was plus or minus 1, you could put a pingasut. If you took away 1 from sisamat, you end up with pingasut. And then, or you could put talimat, because if you add 1 to sisamat, then you get talimat. This is to explain how to do the round the corner. So let's say that the top card was kulit, which is 10, and it was green, so it was plus or minus 1. If we subtract 1, that's easy. Then we have ugiakiłhaaqpa. The complicated thing is if you add 1, there is no 11 card. So what we do is we do that thing called rounding the corner, and so you could put an tausik card or a 1 card. Then here's another example of rounding the corner. Let's say our top card was ugiakiłhaaqpa, and it's a blue card, which is plus or minus 2. So then subtraction is easy. 9 minus 2 is 7, so there's no problem with that. The problem is once we do 9 plus 2, and it's 11, so then again, we would use the tausik card. And then here's another one with an orange card down, which is plus or minus 3. So we have kulit, which is 10, and 10 minus 3 is talimat malurok, which is 7. But 10 plus 3 would be 13. So what could be used in that case would be a 3 card of any color. Because again, once you're playing with all those colors, you're going to have all those colors coming up on the board. Those were all examples of rounding the corner going up from beyond 10. So it's a little more complicated to teach students to go round the corner from 1 or below 1. So I'll give some examples. So the top card is a tausik, and it's plus or minus 1, so it's easy to add 1, and then you've got malurok. But the issue is what if you subtract 1? Then you're technically at 0, so then you use the kulit, or the 10. Then let's say we have a tausik in a blue card, which is plus or minus 2, and so then you have simple. If you add 2, you're at pingasut. But when you subtract, you're going to do minus 2, which is 9. And then finally, let's say you have an tausik card that's red, and that's plus or minus 3. And so adding 3 to that makes sisamat nice and easy. Subtracting from it, then that would bring us down to 8. Now you can watch as some teachers from Hobson Middle School and Barrow High School play the game in the non-competitive version. Actually,
that was actually why I was like, I'm not doing that.
ooh, let me just say, deal all the cards, and the last card goes in the middle. Then let everyone organize their cards on the mats.
So I'm just going in order of that?
Now, okay, so Melissa will go first, and she can go 1 up or 1 down from what's in the middle deck. This is called rounding the corner. So there's a kulit. Oh, nope, he's going down to ugiakiłhaaqpa.
Yeah.
You can play anything that you have, and you can't play. So we have to skip Doug because he has nothing to play. Yeah, you wanted to try to get rid of Doug, but
Thank
no.
you.
I'm gonna be nice. Okay, both of us. I'm gonna get rid of my 8
And 8.
and 8.
Tyler. I
Except
can
the-
play either one of these. I don't have this one, so I can play this one.
I was actually worse at this lower version.
I am.
You got nothing?
I got nothing.
Oh no. Oh, you can't go either. Oh, my word. Oh, I can't go either. You can't.
This is
go.
good
I
footage.
can't go.
Wow, that skipped so many people this year.
You can't do
I can't
7
do
or
it.
9.
I can't do anything.
I can
You
do
can't.
9.
I can't do 9.
I can't do 9. You can do 9.
I've got 10.
Hallelujah.
I got 1.
Towson.
Oh man.
One, but I can do 2.
Follow it up.
I can do things that.
I can do nothing.
No, yes, you could have done 2.
Oh.
Wait, you could have done
Oh, I could have done 2.
You can just sit. Sisama.
This one, I guess.
Whoa.
Tadimat.
For the competitive or speed pre-play instructions, the main thing is that players should already know how the game is played from having played the cooperative version, and explain that in this version there is no turn taking. Players are trying to be the first one to get rid of all their cards. When beginning to play the competitive version, it is still recommended to begin playing with only the green plus or minus 1 cards. And then once players are proficient with playing with that set, add the blue plus or minus 2 cards. And then finally, once they can handle the green and the blue together, you can add the red plus or minus 3 cards. When playing the competitive version, shuffle and deal all the cards except 1. Because this is a speed game, this is the longest part of the game. Dealing the cards takes longer than it does for the students to play the game. Some players are strict and no one is allowed to begin sorting or looking at their cards until the game starts. Others allow a few minutes for players to organize their cards. Some groups have a rule where they are only allowed to hold a specific number of cards in their hand at the start of the game, and then they can pick up from their other pile as they need to. As you can see, there's more than one correct way to play, so you need to decide which way your group is going to play and make sure everyone understands the rules for play. Place the one undealt card face up in the middle of the table. This is the card that dictates what card can be played next. In the competitive version of the game, players play their cards as quickly as they can, and the winner is the player that gets rid of all of their cards first.
So in each set, we have green cards, blue cards, and red cards. And when we first start out, we only use the green cards until we get really good. Then we add the blue cards. And then when we get really good at working with the green and the blue, then we add the red cards. And so I'll explain how it works. So each card has the written form of the number. So this one is a tausip, and it has the Kaktovik numeral form of the number. Malawok, pingasut, sisamat, dalimat, itchakrat, dalimat malawok, dalimat pingasut, kolingo dailak. So that's all the cards you're working with. So let's say that the card in the middle was dalimat. If it's a green card, it's going to be plus or minus 1. So then the next card that can go down can either be sisamat, because that's dalimat minus 1, or it could be itchakrat, because that's dalimat plus 1. So then if it moved up to itchakrat, then you could go up to dalimat malawok, or you could come back down to dalimat. Okay? So the goal of this game is to be the first person to get rid of all of their cards. So it's a game of speed. There are no turns. You just keep trying, just pay attention to what's in here and keep trying to be the first one to put a card to go with that. Now, after you've gotten good at this with the green, then you can add the blue, and the blue is different because then it's plus or minus 2. So if malawak was down, then the next card that would have to go on top of here would be sisamat, okay? Sisamat. And I forgot to talk about going around the corner. Let me do that real quick. So in this game, there's a thing called going around the corner. Yeah. So if this was plus or minus 1, the next one could be kulit. Is there a kulit in here? And I just didn't even remember to find him. I thought it just went up. Oh, you're right. So then let's say that we had a kulit on here. And the next one would have to be ugiakiłhaaqpa, or we have a thing where it's going around the corner. So if we were to add 1, it would be 11, but we don't have an 11, so then you could just put a 1 down. And so then that way you have a little bit more flexibility on what cards you can put down. And then if you were doing the same thing here, so like say you were on the blue, then you could put a 2 down. Okay? Once you're working with the blue, because it's plus or minus 2. And then what happens when we finally add the red is it's plus or minus 3. So this would have to be kulit or sisamat. Okay? So I'm going to put the reds and the blues over here because we're not going to play with them yet. We're just going to play with the green. And the way this game works is you deal all the cards. And you're my speed fellow, so you're going to deal and then save the last card to put in the middle. In the middle? Okay, last one goes in the middle. Okay? Everybody grab their pile.
I have to wait.
Yeah, we're going to have to wait for him. He'll be right
I
back.
don't know looking at your cards yet?
Yeah, that's the real rules, but people decide how they want to play.
Oh,
okay?
yeah.
So as long as the rules are the same for everyone, then it's fair. So some people want to play and they get to organize their cards before they start. But the rules that came with the game when I bought the game in English were no looking at your cards until we start.
Okay.
Okay? So as long as everybody agrees on what they're doing, it's fair. Kira.
Ooh.
Oh, oh. Oh!
We're so far from the table.
Ah! Oh! Oh.
You guys have gotten good. Dang it. I don't think I've even had a chance to put anything down yet today.
Ah!
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, you guys are really good. I'll shuffle them together or just, you know what? Deal those and then deal the blue. It'll be kind of even because it's kind of hard to shuffle this many cards. Kira.
Ooh. Oh, I'm wrong too.
Oh, you guys, I did that wrong. It's a blue one. It has to be ugiakiłhaaqpa. There. It's been.
Oh, yep. E. We still need 2.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, nice.
Wait. No. I know. This one's it's way more challenging. E. Oh no, wrong. Shoot. These blues. All these blues. They're so hard.
Okay, we're back at 1. Oh, whoa.
Oh. Sisamat. Wait a second. Naomi, Dalimat. Dalimat malu. Naomi. Naomi. Oh, no,
Oh, no,
because
blue
it's
means-
minus Let's do. Dang. And you know what? What I'm noticing is that I don't look. No, that's the wrong one too. I did it wrong. My bad. Oh, now me. Wait. Yes.
Kalimat na.
Yeah, 5.
Dang it.
Oh my gosh. How the heck did you know that?
I just saw it. Kulit mo ko tayo lang. Kulit.
Adosik. Malago. Now me.
Huh?
E.
No. Oh, good job. I swear. That's great. You're learning to be assertive. You're like, no, teacher, you don't know what you're talking about. Don't know where you're getting this. You're wrong. Oh.
My
Oh,
God.
Now,
dang
he
it.
has to. Oh, E. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. No. Oh, yeah. You're right, guys. This is too much for me. My brain isn't good enough. Oh, pingas.
Dang it.
What was that?
Malo.
E.
Dang it.
Oh.
I can do that, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Oh.
Yours.
Oh. Wait.
Uh-huh.
If this is malawok, it's +2.
Oh.
So then it would have been 2. So now whose is this?
No, both of these are mine.
So this would have been +2. Was the +2 on there? And I'm just confused?
Did you put 2 down first, then 1?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe. Keep going, guys. Sorry. My.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, no.
Kalimang malawak.
Man.
Ay.
Oh, no. I did it wrong.
Kulit.
Malu. Sisamat naga kulit.
No. Sisama. Yeah. Oh,
nami.
No.
Oh,
Now
we're
we
back
gotta
at
go up.
ones.
So gotta go to 3. No, we gotta go to 3.
Huh?
Oh, no.
3 or 1?
Oh, yeah, 3 or 1. 3 or 1.
3 or 1.
It's this card right here.
3 or 1. 3 or 1. E. Wait. 3 or. Yeah.
Kalimat naga.
Nope.
Nami.
Nope.
Kalimat naga tausa.
Oh my gosh.
Game.
Oh my gosh. That was challenging.
Easy.